The all-new super sport roadster from BMW Motorrad. The M1000 R. Powered by a 999cc inline 4-cylinder engine, which makes 210 horsepower at 13,750 rpm and 113 Nm of torque at 11,100 rpm. The bike is equipped with special M brakes. 320mm twin disc with 4-piston fixed calipers in the front and 220mm single disc with 2-piston fixed calipers in the rear. M winglets generate up to 11 kg of downforce at 200 km/h for maximum riding stability. The suspension and chassis of the new MR are based on the S1000R, with the aluminium bridge frame as the centerpiece. 45mm USD forks in the front with adjustable spring preload, in combination with the dynamic damping control. New weight-optimized full Akrapovic titanium exhaust system helps in further weight reduction. The standard equipments on the new MR includes ABS Pro riding modes, pit lane limiter, launch control, dynamic traction control, wheelie control, slide control, dynamic brake control, shift assistant Pro, automatic hill start control Pro. The bike gets a 6.5-inch TFT display with exclusive M startup animation and an adaptive LED headlight. The bike is also equipped with special M parts such as M forged wheels, M battery, M seat, M brake and clutch levers. The bike also gets handlebar and mirrors, keyless ride, tire pressure control, heated grips and cruise control as standard. The bike can also be equipped with other optional items like M competition package, M carbon parts, passenger pack and much more. The curb weight of the new MR is 199 kgs.